Brother Hugo and the Bear Play-Based Learning by Brianna Freeman. This story is about Brother Hugo, who was a monk. When his library book was due, he was unable to return it because a bear had eaten his book. The abbot was very upset after hearing it because his book was the letters of St. Augustine, and they had all been swallowed by a bear. The abbot told Brother Hugo that he must fetch another copy of the book, and then he needed to copy it out word for word and remake the book, and then return it to the library, all within the season of Lent. The manuscript that Hugo had to copy was very large, and he was worried that he would not be able to finish it in time. However, with help from his friends, the other monks living at the monastery, he was able to complete the book. Before setting off on his trip to return the book, he grew very nervous because he could hear the bear looking around, waiting for another chance to eat more literature. Before he left, the other monks gave Hugo some sermons they had written for him to throw to the bear in order to slow it down. Unfortunately, their plan backfired, and the bear's hunger for words grew even stronger with every passage he ate. The bear was able to catch up with Brother Hugo just as he arrived at the gates of the La Grande Chartreuse, and then swallowed up Hugo's book whole, unfortunately. The book was written by Kathy Beebe, and it was illustrated by S.T. Schindler, who incorporated a lot of illustrated manuscripts into his illustrations. And then, before the invention of the printing press, all books used to be handwritten and decorated, just like how Brother Hugo recreated his library book in the story. In the 11th century Europe, people started creating illuminated manuscripts. An illuminated manuscript is a handwritten book that is decorated with real gold or silver, bright colors, elaborate designs, and sometimes even miniature pictures, as you can see here. The creators of these books focused on elaborate artwork on the capital letters at the beginning of the pages, and the designs often spilled into the margins and borders of the pages. So here are some examples of real-life illuminated manuscripts, and then an example from the book Brother Hugo.
Hi kids, today we are going to be making our own illuminated manuscript alphabet. And to do that, we will be using materials such as India ink to make the colors and the letters, and we're going to be dipping our feather pens in the ink to outline. And honestly, if you don't feel comfortable doing that, if it's too hard, that's fine. You can also use markers, crayons, acrylic paint, watercolors, whatever artistic medium you want to create your illuminated manuscript. I'm going to be assigning you each a grouping of letters, and then at the end, we're going to take all the letters of the alphabet, all 26, and we're going to be binding them in a leather book, and we're going to use leather covers, and then we're going to 3-hole punch it and use some faux leather ties to bound our books, and we're going to keep our books in the classroom. We're going to be listening, while we do this project, we're going to be listening to some 11th century music, like you can hear in the background, to just get a feel for what Brother Hugo had experienced while he was recreating his library book. Like in the book, we're going to be sticking to the color scheme of blue, red, gold, and black. I kind of did a mock-up of a very basic example. So this is just very plain. I want you to customize your letters in a way that is special to you. So if you like sports, make them sports themed. If you like flowers or birds, make them incorporate some of that into your letters. You can really make this your own, and I want you to have fun with it. Like we learned in the book, Brother Hugo had to use sheepskin to write his books on, and he bound them with leather, and he used the colors that we're using. So there are some differences, but we're going to do our best to do what Brother Hugo did. So I hope you guys have fun with this assignment.
Here are some examples I found online of another 3rd grade class that learned about illuminated manuscripts and then made up their own from the Smiley's class. I think they did a great job, and this is what the expectation for my imaginary assignment would be.